We're making her work for it here. More tape.
I love tape.
Let's see. In the meantime, we got a new shirt on, new necklace, new earrings.
Goodness.
Another box.
Oh, I don't like tape.
Oh, new shoes from Abuelo.
I don't like tape.
Pretty. Wow, that's funny. I almost bought you something just like that the other day.
Aren't you glad you did it?
Yup. Uh-huh. Beautiful. Just what you like. Pretty. That's beautiful.
She got more stuff. I'm gonna read the card first. Excuse me. Make-A-Wish great-granddaughter. $20.
Oh, rich girl.
Madeline, great-granddaughter, you're so special. Hope your birthday's a wonderful one, filled with the happy surprises that make being a birthday girl fun. Happy birthday. With all my love, Becca. It's a cat dog bracelet.
Oh, that's cute.
And it's a little bone.
Oh, that's neat.
And it's a dog collar.
Oh, that's cute.
Cute wrapping paper.
Alright. Try to make it quick because I don't want to run out of battery or memory space.
We'll make it quick. Oh, what is this?
Oh. What is it?
You always open the stuff before you actually open the actual thing.
Oh, really? What is it?
What is it?
I don't know. Keep opening the box. Hurry up. That's a big one.
That's it.
More opening, huh?
Oh, there's tape everywhere. I don't like tape. Mom, I think they covered it up because it had glass in it.
Maybe.
Because it needs stuff to cover glass.
Cover glass or to make sure it doesn't break.
Oh, I like that sound. Lacey woke up. Oh, I like Lacey's pajamas. Ooh, I like this card. It's pretty. A great-granddaughter is God's way of touching her heart with laughter, blessing your life with happiness, and filling your world with love. More money.
Ooh, it says great-granddaughter or granddaughter?
Granddaughter.
Oh, okay. Whoa, you're a rich girl.
When God... How come I got $20? When God made granddaughters, He certainly knew that the dearest of wishes and dreams would come true. For the whole family, He blessed with a granddaughter like you. Happy birthday. Maddie, love you lots. Huge gungo and kisses. Enjoy your day. Miss you, Awana Maria. Pretty card. Oh my goodness.
What is it?
It's a laptop.
No way. What do you think about that?
That's cool.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know how to...
Your very own
Whoa,
laptop.
Look at it, Mommy.
Oh my goodness.
I'm so excited.
I knew that'd be your favorite gift. Wow. I think Daddy will be happy about that, huh? You won't borrow his anymore?
Yeah, he'll be happy, alright.
Wow. I think you had a nice birthday, didn't you?
Yes. This is so exciting. Thank you for everything. I really like it and all my jewelry. How come she got more stuff than me? I love you guys and miss you. Thank you for everything.